G'day guys, so with the fuel system upgrades and a new pressure sensor added to the coolant system, we're ready to head back to the hubs and do some testing. First up, we'll do a baseline run. A nice easy 752. Just a basic checkup on our 12 psi street tune, make sure everything's all good. So now we'll start adding some boost. And with 22 psi, 941 horsepower is the result. Now this is with the full exhaust all the way to the rear bumper, with a cat, 2 mufflers. This is just as far as the exhaust will let it go. For this run, we lowered the boost controller and added the side pipe. Boost set at 20 psi. We made 975 horsepower, which is 34 more than previous pass, but with 2 psi less boost. So with no changes whatsoever other than removing the headlight and the turbo guard, 53 horsepower gain, yeah, just from pulling the headlight. And well, we cracked the 1,000 horsepower mark. Okay, so we dialed a little bit more boost in this time, up to 23. So 1074 at the hubs, that's our result. Fuel pressure is starting to drop again, so after a bit of troubleshooting, we think we've diagnosed a lazy 460 Warbro in the surge. So until we get that replaced, we'll have to call that a night.